Good evening, everyone. So it's the end of our first day here in Canada. Well, first half day because we arrived 12 hours earlier.
Yes.
Then sinundo kami, of course, ng aming very kind Tita Yol and Tito Ray. And now they allowed us in our in their beautiful house. Pero hindi namin mapakita now. So sobrang ganda ng everything. Then sobrang okay everything. So thank you Tita Yol and Tito Ray. And I think pagsastay din kami ng aming very kind Kuya Joy and Ate Rochelle sa kanilang house in a week or so na nililinis pa. So napaka-bait nila, naglilinis pa sila for us. So
but
first,
we can help.
of course. Pero ayan, very warm, hospitable welcome. So dinala kami, sinundo kami from the airport and we got here 12 hours ago. Then yung after lunch, so pinag-prepare ng quick, masarap na lunch.
Yeah, para feast. Daming Filipino food. Plus ravioli. Ravioli, menudo,
lechon paksiw.
tsaka asado ba yun? Isa?
Adobo. Ay, hindi, walang adobo. Lechon yan, lechon paksiw. The rice, so sarap ng everything. Then after that, around mga 2, nakatulog lang kami. Nagising na kami around 6:30. So, binigyan kami ng sobrang time to rest. And then, after that, ano nangyari? We went out, kinausap si Kuya Joy here. Kuya Joy who lives, I think, near lang here this house. So, we're very thankful for the very warm welcome, very beautiful house, very kind people. So, naisip nga namin ni Ira na parang sobrang hirap nito kung
you're doing it alone.
I'm doing it alone.
Swerte na kami na magkasama kami, as in helpful na you have someone with you. Then, ang daming tumutulong right now.
Totoo. Parang feel talaga namin na from the Philippines up to sa Canada, parang hindi lang namin siya trip. Parang trip ng everyone. So, sa Philippines, our friends, and family. So yung friends namin nag-message sa amin, thank you to the collection of our family members. But even after that, nag-chat sa amin na kumusta, nasa Canada na ba kayo?
Everyone's checking up on us, so we're very thankful.
And magre-reply kami as soon as.
Unfortunately lang, hindi kami makareply now because
jet lag.
Sobrang daming nangyayari every minute, every second, parang ang daming input, tapos everything we're trying to learn. So, sorry, hindi namin ma-check lahat ng
pero na-appreciate namin, sobrang dami nag-chat ko na well wishes, family and friends. Then sobrang daming nagtatanong kung nakapunta na ba. Nakarating na ba kami safe? Everyone's checking up on us. Then, of course, our family, na yun, laging chine-check yung mga vids namin and messages namin. So, thank you for everyone. Then, yun yung sa Philippine side. Then, here sa Canada side is the same. We're very lucky. So, sinundo kami sa airport, hinatid, pinayagan kami makatulog, binigyan ng sobrang daming food. Then, lunch and dinner. And dinner, di ba? Na sobrang sarap din. Actually, ginagawa namin 12 o'clock ice cream. Since sobrang sarap ng ice cream. Then, daming natutunan din na kung paano yung house nag-work. So, ang pinaka nakaka-shock is dishwasher pala. Yung general sa Canada.
Well, mas affordable din for them to use dishwasher kasi parang dito sa house na to, kasama na sa juice, monthly juice yung or the condo juice yung electricity and water. So, basically, parang sabi nila free na yung water and electricity. So, gets naman why in the Philippines it's not that easy to use yung mga dishwasher kasi ang mahal din ng electricity sa atin. Pero, ayun, freely you can do those things here. Ano pa ba?
Then, very thankful din kami na binigyan pa kami ng own room namin. Dina Tita and Tito. Tita Yol and Tito Ray. And I think yun din ata yung plan sa other house ni na Kuya Joy and Ate Rochelle. So, thank you again for everything. Babawi kami.
Salamat
This
po.
is this is a 1-year reminder na babawi
Yes.
kami for this date of July 4, 2024. And then,
And we'll definitely be kind to people kasi people are kind to us.
totoo. So, super helpful then. In addition, sobrang thankful din kami na binibigyan din kami ng space. Di ba parang napansin namin na binigyan kami ng key to the house so we can do what we want. So, actually tomorrow, we just need some more rest. Then, tomorrow, sayang kasi yung weekday. Since Friday bukas, we'll do our SIN, our bank, our gym, ano pa? OHIP, healthcare, health card. Then,
a bit of grocery lang siguro pag mga essentials.
yeah.
Mga soap, ganun, toiletries. Kasi hindi naman kami nagdala talaga here ng mga ganun. Purely clothes lang dala namin.
Yung SIN pala nagawa na. So, thank you sa efficiency ng Canada.
Yeah.
So, a while ago pala natapos na yung social identification number. I think that's the most important number that Canadian PRs and I think everyone in Canada has.
As long as you're staying here, you need to have your SIN because that's how you'll get the benefits from Canada.
So, at least natapos na yun a while ago sa airport pa lang. So, tomorrow pa lang pinaka-important our bank, OHIP card, PR card, OHIP, PR card. OHIP is health insurance.
Meron na rin tayong PR card. Parang dadalhin na lang daw sa address
ni Kuya Joy.
Kung saan naman mag-i-stay.
Pero review na lang din natin. Then, we'll check up the gym. Then yan, groceries nga. So, napakabait. And first time namin ma-experience ang Toronto Subway tomorrow, the TTC, the famed TTC. So, we'll update regarding that. So, exciting naman yun. Then,
banks, kailangan din namin mag-banks to get a credit card para mag-start na namin yung credit score namin here.
So, definitely savings account first para pag-isipan muna kung may other movements. Pero, for now, need time to check on that. So, basta savings account muna now.
I think very packed yun tomorrow. But, of course, hindi naman namin gagawin lahat yun. Oh, tapos kailangan ko rin palang pumunta sa doctor or sa hospital soon.
Yun nga pala yung pinaka-important.
Meron akong, before kami dumating dito, meron akong parang na-flag about sa health ko. So, so 30 days, within 30 days kailangan.
Yun. So, explain na lang yan ni Ira in a separate video. Or then, siya nang bahala there. Ano pa ba?
What else? That's it.
So, I think that's it. So far, yung t-shirt namin, sobrang tagal na namin suot yung same set of clothes for, I think, more than 24 hours na.
Yeah.
So, in a bit, makakapagligo na, makapag-prepare, then tulog na. I think that's it.
But it's 11 p.m. here.
Magta-12 na.
Magta-12 na. 12 a.m. na. Medyo nagising pa kasi nakatulog kami talaga. Sobrang tagal pagdating namin dito sa house.
So, siguro closing comments na lang parang feel nga natin na marami talagang tumulong sa atin. Philippines and Canadian side. Parang super, I mean, well, what we can only speak of naman is our experience. And yung experience natin, marami talagang tumulong sa atin. So, we're in that privileged position.
Yeah, up until now, parang people are trying to help us pa rin.
Oo nga,
Nagpa-message pa rin sila.
Yeah.
Diba, even sila, hindi lang sila Tita Yol.
Yeah, before, correct. So, pwede mas min? Yeah, yung titas and titas ni Ira here, mga cousins. Also,
everyone's messaging friends.
Yeah,
sila,
kung pwedeng
Kim,
friends na
sila
Kims.
Ma'am Bernard. So, very thankful sa community. We hope now we can also extend our help sa mga other people.
Other immigrants
eventually pag naka-settle na kami. Because first day pa lang namin dito.
Totoo, then maghahanap ng work, magta-transition ba ng profession. So, hopefully mag-work. Everything. But, yun, sobrang laking advantage talaga pag may people willing to help. So, thank you. Good night.
Thank you po.
I think matutulog na soon.